We had the Mabuchi motor that powers the smoke unit seize up, wouldn't turn. There was some debris in the vent hole that goes from the blower into the resistor that creates the smoke, so we removed that debris. I also shot a little of the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner onto the bearing of the motor, let it sit for about 30 minutes, dried it out with air, and that freed up the motor and it started working again. You want to be very careful when taking this apart that you don't destroy the gasket completely. If so, you have to fabricate something to help seal it up. Also, when you put it back together again, make sure that you have the impeller seated properly so it doesn't bind on the green PCB board. The motor is number 7.
Now arriving from East Paradise on track 1, the Willow Brook.
Watch your step, please. Have a nice day. Thank you. Welcome aboard. Ticketed passengers only. Thank you.
Now departing for Lincoln Place on track 1, the Willow Brook.
Step right this way.